Code for Tomorrow, turning today's students into tomorrow's innovators. This video will cover what Code for Tomorrow is, how our spring 2021 classes work, how you can volunteer or register as a student, and how you can learn more about our organization. You can also refer to our description for timestamps. So you can basically read what this mission statement is, but in short, we provide educational opportunities for underserved communities. What educational opportunities specifically? Well, we're a STEM student-run nonprofit organization, so that means that we typically provide free online coding courses, which is what this video is going to be about. So far, we've had over 1,600 students, over 50 sessions, 70 teachers, and 20 cities globally. So if you decide to become a student, teacher, or volunteer, you're going to be joining a very big Code for Tomorrow family. So for our spring 2021 classes, they're going to run for 6 weeks from February 22nd to April 4th. They're going to happen 2 days a week, 1 hour a day. And there are 6 different time slots, which will be in the afternoons and evenings if you're in Pacific Standard Time. So basically what this means is that there's a lot of flexibility in scheduling for both students and teachers if they want to learn or volunteer. The different courses we offer include machine learning, Java, Python, web development, which is specifically HTML, CSS, and Scratch. We also offer these courses at multiple different levels so that even if you have never programmed before, you should be able to jump into most of our beginner courses. The only one where I would caution people in joining a beginner class is machine learning, because that does require some advanced high school math. So the way that our courses work is that we create and provide the curriculum on an online course platform called Thinkific, and then our teachers can then take that content, make that their own, and teach in the style that they want to teach. So if you're thinking about volunteering as a teacher, don't stress. You don't have to make the curriculum from scratch. We have your back. The 3 different ways that you can get involved in terms of our classes is that you can either learn, teach, or you can lead. Learners, or our students, you'd be registering for a free coding class, acquiring STEM skills, and expanding your horizons. As teachers, you'd be providing life-changing lessons to elementary, middle school, and high school students. And finally, as a C4 team member, you would help to run the Code for Tomorrow organization, which includes coordinating our seasonal classes. And another thing to keep in mind is that if you're thinking about becoming a Code for Tomorrow member, a lot of people think that you have to know how to code, but actually we need a lot of people in our organization who have business skills, non-technical skills, whether that's writing emails, sending newsletters, designing graphics, and things like that. So we actually need a lot of people who don't necessarily know how to code. So in summary, the ways that you can get involved as a volunteer is that you can teach a class or multiple. This is a seasonal commitment, which means that if you sign up to be a teacher for spring classes, once you teach spring classes, you're done. Whereas becoming a member is more of a long-term commitment, which typically lasts throughout the school year and even into the summer if you'd like. Of course, because you are volunteering, we'd like to give you credit for that, so you can get your volunteer hours certified. We can provide certificates. And as well as the PVSA, the Presidential Volunteer Service Award, if you are eligible for that. So apply today. Go to this website, docs.codefortomorrow.org/links/applications, and keep in mind that our teacher application for spring 2021 classes is due on January 18th, which is this coming Monday. Our member applications are open generally throughout the year, and we have rolling acceptances. If you're interested in taking a course, our student registration opens on January 25th. If you'd like to get notified about when the registration opens, be sure to follow us on Instagram, join our Discord server, and/or sign up for our newsletter. Here are the various ways that you can get into contact with us if you have any questions or concerns. You can visit our website, codefortomorrow.org. We also have more information on our knowledge-based website, which is docs.codefortomorrow.org. You can email us at help@codefortomorrow.org, join a Discord server, or sign up for our newsletter by visiting our website and filling out the form. And finally, be sure to follow us on various social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Thanks for your time.